Based in the beautiful Alajuela province of Costa Rica, MicroTech's state-of-the-art certified manufacturing facility provides precision manufacturing and supply chain innovation through capability and tooling for small metal and plastic components for the most demanding industries. As part of the company's desire for new world technology and a forward-thinking manufacturing approach, MicroTech wanted to go solar to supplement the power requirements at its manufacturing facility. They called on EPC Contractor ELCA to install a microgrid, which combined a Tesla power pack of 1.1 megawatts and 1,432 sharp solar panels for its 531 kilowatt DC system on the facility's insulated metal panel roof. ELCA knew that they could rely on S-5 solar attachment solutions to secure the solar modules to their metal roof. They selected the S-5 PVKIT 2.0 and the S-5H mini clamps to secure the solar panels to the standing seam metal roof of MicroTech's manufacturing facility, allowing for a railless PV mounting solution. The PVKIT's pre-assembled components provided a simple, secure, and economical method for attaching the solar panels. Because the solution is railless, it also cut costs in freight, logistics, lifting equipment, and labor associated with traditional rail. The PV system allowed MicroTech to continue its forward-thinking manufacturing approach by utilizing renewable energy sources. And the PV kit provided a railless, aesthetically pleasing, penetration-free, cost-effective PV mounting solution, saving the customer time and money on installation and materials.